Ever wondered how to build a blog that actually makes money and keeps visitors hooked? Today, we're diving deep into the Income School framework to design a blog site that's both profitable and user-friendly. First, let's tackle the foundation site structure. Income School emphasizes a logical, crawler-friendly architecture. Think of it like a well-organized library. We start with broad categories, then drill down into specific subcategories. This hierarchical approach makes it easy for both search engines and your readers to navigate and find exactly what they're looking for, boosting your SEO and user experience. Next, content strategy. The Income School philosophy centers on creating high-quality, in-depth content that genuinely helps your audience focus on answering your readers' questions comprehensively. We identify popular topics within our niche, conduct thorough keyword research to understand what people are searching for, and then create detailed, helpful articles that aim to be the best resource available. Now, let's talk about making it profitable. Income School employs a multi-pronged monetization approach. We strategically integrate relevant affiliate links within our content where they naturally add value. We also place contextual display ads, ensuring they don't disrupt the user experience. For those with a significant audience, consider creating your own digital products or services to offer, further diversifying your income streams. Finally, the design itself. A clean, mobile responsive design is paramount. Focus on readability with good font choices and plenty of white space. Make your navigation intuitive and ensure your calls to action are clear. User-friendly design encourages longer visits and higher engagement, which translates directly to better performance and profitability for your blog.